Even during this dark time,
the light still shines.
The community together.
We are strong. We are resilient.
We have faith.
And we will get through this.
Thank you.
To our healthcare providers.
To our essential workers.
To each and every one of you.
For doing your part.
And helping our community stay safe.
This week marks
the holiday of Shavuot.
When we receive the Torah.
When we stood together.
Together as one.
At Mount Sinai.
One people with one heart.
Let us unite and celebrate
the holiday of Shavuot.
Let's bring joy,
healing,
blessing, and peace
to the South County community
and to the entire world.
Chag Sameach.
Happy Shavuot.
L'chaim and Chag Sameach.
Chag Sameach.
L'chaim.
to life.
Chag Sameach.
Chag Shavuot Sameach.
L'chaim.
Chag Sameach.
Happy Shavuos.
Chag Sameach.
L'chaim.
Happy Shavuot.
Chag Sameach.
L'chaim.
Chag Sameach!
Chag Sameach.
Chaim.
Happy Shavuot.
Chag Sameach.
Happy Shavuot.
Chag Shavuot Sameach.
Chag Sameach from San Martin. Have a great holiday.
Happy Shavuot.